The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. So, a balanced diet includes all the nutrients of food in proper quantity with roughage and water. The nutrients of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. What is balanced diet? The diet that provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities along with adequate amount of roughage and water is called balanced diet. Food supplies energy. Some foods supply more energy than others. Energy in food is measured in terms of calorie. Calories are an important aspect of a balanced diet. Need of calories is different for different people. It depends on age, sex, profession, and nature of work. Generally, a man requires more energy than a woman. A man doing physical labor needs more energy than a person sitting in an office. A balanced diet should contain food items with different nutritional value to fulfill our nutritional requirements. Meat is a good source of protein but does not contain all the nutrients. If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling them, it will lead to the loss of nutrients in food materials. Taking of peels from fruits and vegetables, repeated washing of pulses and rice, use of excess water during cooking also lead to the loss of nutrients in food materials. What is obesity? Obesity is the condition of excess body weight due to accumulation of fat in the body. Overeating of sweet and junk food may lead to obesity. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. This condition is called malnutrition. If a person does not get enough proteins in his food for a long time, he is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. One of the severe disease caused due to deficiency of proteins is called kwashiorkor. The child suffering from kwashiorkor should be given a protein-rich diet like pulses, milk, egg, fish, and meat. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin and so weak that he may not even be able to move. This disease is also called marasmus. This disease usually affects infants below the age of 1 year and is due to the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins in the diet. Next is about some important vitamins and their deficiency diseases. Milk, butter, cheese, tomatoes, carrots, etc. are rich source of vitamin A. It is essential for good eyesight. Deficiency of vitamin A cause night blindness. Milk, eggs, cheese, meat, liver, husk of cereals and pulses, etc. are rich sources of vitamin B1. It helps in digestion and growth. Deficiency of vitamin B1 cause beriberi, a disease marked by weak muscles and very little energy to work. Citrus fruits like orange, lemon, lime, green vegetables, tomatoes, etc. are important sources of vitamin C. It is essential for muscles and teeth. The deficiency of vitamin C in our food causes scurvy, a disease marked by bleeding gums. Wounds take longer time to heal. Milk, yellow of egg, liver, fish liver oil, especially sunlight, are important sources of vitamin D. It helps in the formation of strong bones and teeth. Deficiency of vitamin D in our food causes rickets, a disease marked by decaying teeth and weak bones. Next is about some important minerals and their deficiency diseases. Dairy products, beans, cabbage, eggs, meat, and green leafy vegetables are rich sources of calcium. Calcium helps in the formation of bone and teeth. Deficiency of calcium in our food causes weak bones and tooth decay. Iodine, another mineral, controls the functioning of an important gland, thyroid. Deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. Iodized salt, seafood, and water are the sources of this mineral. Iron is essential for forming hemoglobin, a component of our blood, the deficiency of which causes anemia. Green leafy vegetables, eggs, groundnuts, and liver are good sources of iron.